Hi, Bulldogs. My name is Miss Young, and I'm the Learning Specialist here at Oxable. You might have noticed that the agenda book looks a little different this year, and there's a reason for that. We're trying to help all of our students with a few skills that will help you grow as a student, and one of those skills is the ability to use your working memory. So, what is a working memory? It's basically the ability to remember information and instructions over a short period of time. So think about when teachers give you directions in class, or maybe you're thinking about something you've learned. If you run into problems with these situations, it might mean you could work on your working memory and improve it. So that brings us to the new agenda books. Let me point out a few components that are there to help you and how to use them. First, you'll notice that in each square, there are lines for you to write your homework assignments. Your teacher will explain what to write in this section each day during class. Use that time to take out your agenda book and write those down. And if you have no homework for that class, write no homework. Right above the lines are some icons under the word materials. The first one's a laptop. Circle it if you need it for your homework. The other icons are for you to circle if you need your book or your folder, binder, notebook. Then up in that corner, you see how there's a little clock there. When your teacher explains the homework, you should estimate how much time it will take and shade it in on the clock. So if it's going to take about 15 minutes, you want to shade in about a quarter of the clock. If it's going to take around a half hour, shade in about half the clock. Then, at the end of the day, take a look at the whole column and all the clocks for all your classes. How much time do you need to dedicate to your homework? Do you have other responsibilities that you have to take care of after school? Do you need to start your homework at a certain time to get everything done? If you're not sure how much time something will take, ask your teacher. They'll be able to help you. Then, in the bottom corner, there's a done with a box. When you finish your homework, check off the box. If you're not able to finish something, add it to the next day's homework list so you can make sure you get it done the next day. All the way on the right is a place for you to write out your goals for the week, the word of the week, and any upcoming tests or quizzes. Use this space each week to help you stay focused and get all the things done you need to get done. It's going to take some time to really start a good habit, and this is a great habit to start. Bring your agenda book to class every day, list your assignments during each class, and shade in the amount of time it's going to take and also the materials you need. Then make sure you take your agenda book back out at the end of the school day or when you get home so you can get to work. If you're having a tough time with this, let us know. We are all happy to help you. And don't forget, once a bulldog, always a bulldog.